Good day viewers, let's discuss the introduction to passive income streams, ideas for generating extra cash today. Passive income streams are a popular way to generate additional income with minimal ongoing effort or active involvement. Unlike traditional employment where you exchange time for money, passive income allows you to earn money consistently and even grow your wealth while you're not actively working. Here's an introduction to passive income streams and some ideas for generating extra cash. 1. What is passive income? Passive income refers to earnings derived from sources that require little to no ongoing effort to maintain. Once set up, passive income streams continue to generate revenue without the need for active participation. While creating passive income often requires upfront time, effort, or financial investment, the goal is to generate income passively over the long term. 2. Benefits of passive income. It includes a. Financial freedom. Passive income provides financial freedom by diversifying your income sources and reducing reliance on traditional employment. It offers flexibility and the potential to earn money even when you're not actively working. b. Time freedom. Passive income allows you to leverage your time more efficiently by generating income passively, freeing up time for other pursuits, hobbies, or spending time with loved ones. c. Scalability. Many passive income streams have the potential for scalability, meaning you can increase your earnings without proportionally increasing your time or effort. This scalability can lead to significant income growth over time. d. Wealth building. Passive income streams can be instrumental in building wealth over the long term. By reinvesting passive income earnings or using them to acquire income-producing assets, you can accelerate wealth accumulation and achieve financial goals faster. 3. Ideas for generating passive income. a. Rental properties. Real estate investments, such as rental properties or vacation rentals, can generate passive income through rental payments from tenants. Property management companies can handle day-to-day operations, making it a relatively hands-off investment. b. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks or dividend-focused mutual funds can provide passive income in the form of regular dividend payments. Reinvesting dividends can compound returns over time, further increasing passive income. c. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. While there are risks involved, peer-to-peer lending can be a viable passive income stream with the potential for attractive returns. d. Digital products or courses. Creating and selling digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, or digital downloads, can generate passive income through recurring sales. Once created, digital products require minimal ongoing maintenance and can be sold to a global audience. e. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or referral generated through your unique affiliate link. With affiliate marketing, you can earn passive income by recommending products or services that align with your audience's interests. f. Royalties. If you have creative talents or intellectual property, such as writing, music, photography, or software development, you can earn passive income through royalties. Licensing your work or selling rights to use your creations can generate ongoing royalty payments. g. Rental income from assets. Renting out assets such as vehicles, equipment, or storage space can generate passive income through rental payments. Platforms like Airbnb or Turo make it easy to rent out and used assets for extra cash. 4. Conclusion. Passive income streams offer a pathway to financial freedom, time flexibility, and wealth building by generating income passively over the long term. While creating passive income often requires upfront investment, effort, or creativity, the potential benefits are substantial. By diversifying your income sources and leveraging passive income streams, you can increase your earning potential, achieve financial goals, and enjoy greater financial security and independence.